Divine friends, welcome to 365 Days of Rumi. This is day 6, and today's poem is called Unearthing the Treasure. The health of the senses of this world comes from the well-being of the body. The health of one's spiritual sense arises from the body's ruin. The spiritual path wrecks the body, but afterwards restores it to health. It destroys the house to unearth the treasure. Then with the treasure builds it better than before. The water is stopped and the riverbed cleansed, so that purer water might flow. The flesh is cut open to draw out the arrow, so that fresh skin might heal the wound. Thank you, divine friends. This is 365 Days of Rumi, and I will see you tomorrow for day 7. Namaste, Hari Bol. Have a wonderful life. Lots of love.